Well, good evening, Southeast Texas. Been some beautiful weather across the area the last couple of days. But that wasn't the case 4 years ago when we were dealing with catastrophic flooding from Imelda, where some areas saw over 30 and 40 inches of rain. In fact, near Fannett, over 44 inches of rain fell in that 4-day period, and within 12 hours, over 31 inches. Catastrophic. Nowadays, we can't buy a drop of rain, it seems like, and we are below 15 inches still, 15 and a third, not since June the 1st. So the rains last week helped a little bit, but we got a long way to go. We certainly need a lot of rain. Unfortunately, it's not in the forecast over the next several days. The drought since June the 1st, of course, we're over 15 inches below normal, and the drought, we're still in the exceptional drought. So not helping much. We'll see what happens when it updates this Thursday, but I don't think it's going to change too much. Your weather headlines: 1 or 2 more cool mornings, followed by hot afternoons, with next chance of rain will be late in the weekend into early next week as a front works in from the northwest. Rain totals over the next 10 days, not very impressive. Now, hopefully this will change a little bit. Hopefully we'll get a little more than what this is showing by the end of next weekend, but you can see pretty meager there. And those rain coverages, well, they're just not there through Saturday, and that coverage goes to 20% on Sunday, hopefully 30% by Sunday night. Then some dry weather behind that front as we head into next week. The upper air pattern, and it's a dry one out of the northwest. Now, we will have a couple of upper level disturbances. That's colors of purple you see here. Those are upper level disturbances, a lift in the atmosphere, but just not much moisture to work with. And the high pressure ridge still to our southwest actually kind of ridges in a little bit on Thursday and Friday before it weakens again, which is good news by the weekend. Pretty strong mid-level trough moving out of the Rockies into the central plains. That'll help weaken the ridge to our south and push another front into the area on Sunday with a disturbance. That'll give us our next chance of showers and thunderstorms at that time. Tonight, just absolutely beautiful across southeast Texas. Some upper 50s once again possible in the lakes area, especially from a Woodville, Jasper to Burkeville, Newton line. There north could see some upper 50s again. We will be in the lower 60s here in the Triangle. Certainly no rain in the forecast tomorrow. Little bit more humidity than today, but not much. Still a very nice day overall, so get out and enjoy it. Highs in lower 90s, maybe a few clouds here and there. Notice the wind flow back off the Gulf. So that humidity will start coming back. And atmospheric moisture, well, it does increase on Wednesday with that disturbance we showed you. The problem is it's not a lot of moisture. It's just not deep enough in the atmosphere at each level. Every 5,000–10,000 feet, it's just not there, but a little bit. So we'll have more clouds certainly on Wednesday from that disturbance. But right now, I don't think we'll see any rain on Wednesday. If we did, we're talking a coverage less than 10%. Marine forecast looks good, mostly smooth seas, water temperature at 84 degrees tonight. There's those upper 50s I was talking about, Newton, Jasper, Woodville, northward. Lower 60s in the Triangle. Boy, that's nice. 63, Vidor and Orange. 66 down in Winnie. Get out and enjoy it because we won't have this by the end of the week. Now, that 10-day forecast, well, the next 4, no rain. More clouds, though, as we talked about on Wednesday. Low 90s, humidity slowly increasing. You see the lows going up by Thursday, Friday morning. Over the weekend, fall officially begins Saturday. That don't mean much to us with south winds off the Gulf, 70s and 90s. And there's that chance of rain Sunday. Right now, it's only a 20% coverage. Hopefully, that'll go up a little bit as we get more data and get closer. And 30% Sunday night, 10% on Monday. That front comes through. It's a weak front, looks like, again, dries us out, but may drop us back into the 60s for lows in about a week from now. Be sure to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook. Be sure to download our 12 News app. And for anything weather 24 hours a day, be sure to log on now to 12newsnow.com.